Hello guys, so ngayon maglalaro tayo guys dito ng Pass the Bomb. Itong laro na to guys is ipapasa mo lang yung mga iba't ibang bomba. At meron guys itong isang natural disasters. Pero isa lang siya guys, meteorite. So let's get the videos started. Okay guys, so nasa game na tayo. Let's get it. Oh my god. Parang may namatay na. Okay. Game running, 44 players left. Okay, let's keep it going, bro. Okay. Wala pa man ako nakitang mga bomba sa paligid ko. So, I think that's all goods na sa atin. Sana guys maging first please tayo at may namamatay na. Oh no. Okay, so wala pa bang namamatay. Okay, so wala pa man namamatay, medyo 40 players na lang. Okay, let's go. Okay, nakita ko guys yung ang daming nasasabog. Oh na. Oh my. Okay, wag tayo guys dyan sa direction na yan kasi masama yan. Ano yan? Ewan ko. Okay, so wala na akong masabi sa part na to. So, yeah. Panoorin nyo na lang. Okay. Oh, na! Let's get out of here, guys. Buti kasi hindi niya, guys, napasa yung bomba. Sinusundan ko pa, guys, yung isa pang merong hawak na bomba, okay? We are healing, bro. Okay, may namamatay na, guys. Grabe, guys. Naka-triple kill, guys. Oh my god, bro. Sayang, guys, bawal tayo, guys, ito tumalon. Oh, nandito na nga, guys, ang meteor inbound. Let's go, guys. Okay, guys. So, napapansin nyo, guys, halos wala ng text ang aking captions kasi guys ayaw talaga guys gumagana guys yung caption at oh my god ang daming meteor strikes. Oh my god. Okay guys, ang daming meteor, namatay siya guys. Oh na. Okay guys, sumasabog guys lahat ng meteors. No! Oh my. Guys, nandito lang po guys lahat ng video. So, subscribe. Bye.